At Kennametal, we are problem solvers, innovators, and partners in building the world we live in. But we need to be more. We need to prepare ourselves for the future. To position ourselves for growth and new opportunities, we need to transform. So where do we start to prepare for tomorrow? We start today with a renewed mission, vision, and values. Our transformation starts with our mission. It's our purpose. And for Kennametal, our mission is all about improving performance for our customers. With our tools and solutions, our customers can run longer, cut faster, and be more precise. We aren't just setting the performance standard for our industry, we are resetting it even higher. Next is our vision, to transform how everyday life is built. Our customers build things that touch our daily lives. They make products that enable people to fly, drive, power, and build. In fact, Kennametal's innovation helps build the engines and planes and cars we use every day. Our technologies can be found in the key systems used for oil and gas exploration and to make the smartphones and tablets we rely on. By continuously evolving our products, we will help our customers transform everyday life. Our values are the guiding principles that define how we do business and treat one another. Safety always and everywhere. Respect for every person, integrity in all that we say and do, and accountability to each other, customers, shareholders, and the environment, and the communities we operate in. These are the values we live by every day. Our mission, vision, and values are more than just words on paper. They define who we are and who we aspire to be. And they will guide us in our journey to a better future.